So Maroons, there's this young lady that's been bugging me for the longest while. This young lady has been bugging me, says she wants to come on the channel and cook. So come introduce yourself.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? You know, as you see me, you know what is going to happen. Me, I take over Becky channel right now. So now you see the title, and now you see that gorgeous thumbnail, and you know what to do. So why you stop? Yeah, I guess we don't even know me look good. But anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, you can like, subscribe, leave a comment, and be a part of the Maroon family.
Yeah.
Right, that's so. So no further ado, guys, let's get straight into what got me tired. This video.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, and now I know what I need to do.
You guys got a warm introduction from Kimara today. So yeah, me and Kimmy heading up to the usual spot to do a peppered shrimp, or pepper crayfish. We didn't get any shrimp, but yeah, it's gonna be a whole vibe. Kimmy will be doing the cooking today. I'll just assist here and there or where it's necessary. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and as she say, do all the good things that you need to do. Subscribe, all of that. Oi! Kimara, tired? Come now. More improvements since the last time I got it. Built like this bridge area that you can walk on, so you don't have to go around in the water. Woo. Come now. One little walk up the hill and Kimara tired. So yeah, so we're back at the spot. Oh, so them give away all bridge. You like it? Yeah. Yeah, Ramone is so nice. One of this how we are set up. Over this how we are cook. So I carry that chair to go over. What you do? So no, you're not gonna cook? You swim first. Give me a nice shock off. Yeah. As I mentioned the last time, you know, the place is becoming more popular, so they have a bit more implemented here for people to enjoy it. So I was just speaking to the brother. Whoa! I 3-1 bus head. So I was just speaking to one of the men that take care of the place, and the last time I came here, I said I was not going to pay because I've been coming to the river free. But now that I think about it, they're keeping the place clean, so I might as well contribute to that, you know? Kimmy said I go put the juice them in the fridge. Kimmy said, which fridge? May I show you a fridge, Kimmy? See a fridge, yeah? So Maroons, what we did is we have this little lunch kit that I placed some ice in. What? Enough ice left. Daddy, you see it though? You tell me say the ice could carry them come. You say the ice make it. So cool, take help me, Kimmy. So I have the crayfish in here. No, enough. I'm gonna close this. Yeah, I go pull it. Yeah, you are gonna pull it. I have to just try work with it. You see it? Let me know next bag. show them out. Jesus. Enough, you know?
Exactly.
It's a good amount.
Nice amount.
But we can't do so much though, Kimmy. I doubt the pot can do so much, you know. We have to go. We have to go so much you can do in the pot. Yeah, no. We don't so much you can do in the pot. Because enough this. So I take out the bigger ones and try them in the pot. Whatever left me carry home. So much. Alright, no, you shouldn't do that. Put them back in here, so. Pick out what we are doing and put in the pot. So take out the ones that we're going to be cooking and put in the pot. Take out the big ones.
For a vlog video.
Very quick. Come, we're going to wash off and clean.
Alright, come on.
So I'm going to show you how to clean it first. Hopefully the camera decides to work this time. I've been switching memory cards and batteries. Hopefully it works. So for some reason it's not recording. But yeah, Kimmy is here just cleaning.
Hi guys. I told you this video going to be epic.
Epic? How long now you want to cook it? From about December though?
Him tell me guys, listen, my brother is such a joker.
Here.
Him tell me say him get the guy for the shrimp them, right? Everything. See this and the other soft shell one, right? So yeah, I plan out me tell him the stuff that I needed. And then now later on in the night when me I get my beauty sleep come on this vlog, this dude come talk about how the man come here with the boat. I'm like you're not gonna lift up rock, you lift up rock.
It's a catch my own.
Yes.
So yeah, we're just cleaning some of them because what's your wrong place you put it? Mom, over here so. So the bigger ones we're going to try devein them, but for the smaller ones it's too cumbersome to do, so we're just going to leave those. Alright guys, so just in case the camera, wait, let me see. Yeah. So just in case you guys missed the earlier tutorial, because the camera was giving trouble, so we take off the head with all of the guts that are inside of it. Take off the gills. And then we devein the crayfish. So we take the middle one, 1, 2, 3, take the middle one, break it, and then pull out the vein from inside. Yeah, so we're just going to finish, get them ready, and catch you guys when Kimmy cleaning them. Chest step. Ah. Rinse them off right there, so. I tell you, forget say you turn one piece a chef.
Exactly. So I don't need no head over me.
Go on, chew off that and catch some more. Move your hand. Move your hand. In the crocus bag. I forgot to sharpen it, so. Want me to cut it? No, not do that, Just want me to cut it?
Yeah. You want to give me the camera?
I suppose you can cut it the same way. Stay one place. Catch it. See? Okay, touch it. Oh, wow. Foolish that took out the seed them.
They never know when though.
Yeah, they probably come on.
We're on the riverside.
You must say you can point it out. So I make them stay there, so Kimmy. I will just spread the thing and then come back to them. Alright. Yeah, so these are the few seasonings that we're going to be using. Just put them there, so Kimmy will be trying to cut them up. We'll try to get them as small as possible here. We probably have to go over it and mince them up. Man, you cut yourself, you know, you sure you don't want to eat flat? Hey.
You said fine.
That's still big, but I gotta go over them. Just cut them up.
That's what we want, you know?
Want me done it?
Yeah, just done it.
Yeah, just pass.
You bring salt?
Eh?
You bring salt?
What?
Salt.
Yeah, we have salt and thing. We might not need it. See that, yeah man. See that everybody we are doing a thing.
Exactly. You know if you're up for the challenge.
Up for the challenge.
Up for the challenge.
Sure you up to the challenge.
Remember who are we mother, you know? I never know.
Annie, our mother, so we love the pepper.
Exactly.
What's your face? You take out the lime seed them?
Yeah.
Told Kimara, we don't need no more pepper. But she was adamant that we pick up a pack of cayenne pepper where she got add to it as well.
Yeah.
You see the last time Kimara made it in December? And she alone could have eat it, you know. Nobody could have eat it. See, Auntie Carlina y'all run water.
Mommy just want more.
Yeah, mommy she love the pepper. Mommy a special case.
Do right now. We're going to add the seasoning.
Yeah, you can. That good man. Him not swim going nowhere.
Him dead. Literally
They
dead.
say him can't swim go nowhere.
Can't go nowhere.
Rinse him off and drop him back in there. So come here, put on your seasoning first. Just sprinkle it all over it. Just sprinkling some fish seasoning all over it. Yeah. We're not gonna use the salt here.
No
And
sauce?
no, can put a little black pepper probably. But no, we have cayenne. We don't want too much pepper. Because you decide say you want, show them it. Show them it. The real.
Come on, you can't show them the price.
The Maroons them no business. Kimara.
You're not
Kimara.
gonna win.
Time with the cayenne pepper, please.
Hold on.
Jesus, please. Whether you are doing your way stills. Jeez, Kimara, no put no more cayenne. Okay. Now make sure everybody get little of everything. Yeah man, let's take out the seed I just see them. Nice. Hey, you don't know Kimmy love pepper from a long time. You remember when we did go mineral and they ate the pepper shrimp? Surprisingly, I never liked that video there and one of the best performing videos on my channel. You know?
You get the most views.
No, it's second most views.
Second
The
most-
carnival video get the most views. That's supposed to be good enough, so we can cover that and start work on the real struggle now, the fire.
Alright. Can I put this over there?
Yeah, the cover, put the pot cover up on top of it. That's what I do to the man. This time the Gatorade, no. And this the chocolates and the Gatorade, man. Nice, so. See if I come with the lighter, they're very lighter. Pour up on him, back it lighter. Eh? You can blow fire. No bother, we don't want to hear smoke. Fragile here if fire ever catch it. So we just do it with. So we're going to make toast toads to go with it. Green plant. Try wash off the coal off of my hand. Get in under the skin.
You're going to cut it like how you would have fry upon plantain, or you're going to like
No, mommy, I cut it.
round?
No, round not gonna be too much and take too much time. Watch out, I never want to broken you. But I mean, we have methods we can use and crush it here. So some people take off the skin like entirely and then crush it in the skin. So I'm going to be doing basically that.
Smoke up the pot.
Eh?
Smoke up the pot.
Oh man, I had to take it hot one.
I know the vlog.
Yeah, yeah. Can probably do. Not much. Ah!
Why you went a sun a while ago?
That can wash off. Oil. We're working with coconut oil to do this. So for the planting, we might need a more. So tell the Maroons what we are going to do. What we're going to do now with the pot.
Alright, so basically guys, we're going to use our...
I run for the smoke. No man, the smoke.
Because we were moving fine.
The smoke can move away.
So,
Funny. Yeah.
plantains, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to put the plantains in the... We never
The what?
The plantains.
Say it, say so.
Plantains.
I'm going to look a bit before it turns. Eh?
Then we're going to have some big ass ants there.
What you say?
The ants them.
Answer bite you.
Right. Yeah.
Crush it first. And then
With what? With the fork?
put this on top of it.
Oh.
Squeeze it down.
Yes, it's some hot. It crushed same way. Jesus. If I never onion your,
Oh yeah, we are do.
your mother, you not put it in.
Come on.
You not put it in back. Oh.
Give me one, broke up the thing. And next one.
Alright, we get it now. You
You
will
get
never
it?
give me
so
this.
yeah, broke up this something them. Go on. We are do. Oh yeah, crush it with that.
Exactly.
Alright, alright. Alright, Kimari, I will kill it.
You
Go on,
not see
no,
it?
that's good enough. But yeah, broke them man. Watch out. You push the fork too deep in them. Go on. One again.
It's still giant.
The flatter it go, the quicker it fry. Remember say them the gone in, you know, so you have to watch them and turn them, because you know say as you turn your back from planting,
Them bun.
them bun. Boy, keep amount of strength, keep amount of strength keep me if you exert just for
Then
squish
if
the
the
planting.
waist on the hill come up here.
The little hike there, that's like a 5-minute hike to me. 5 to 10 minute hike you complain
You know,
about. That one crush one, that not crush it.
this isn't hot enough.
You're a coward. Watch them, turn them and make them.
My hand are red already.
Why? Are you say you're a top chef?
Hello, me not deal with plantain, me deal with seafood.
Alright. Let me start them. So Maroons, we'll catch you back when we finish with the plantains, and Kimmy are gonna start fry up the crayfish. Rain are gonna start falling, you know. You're supposed to know, so once you're par with me and we do a video, rain are gonna fall, yeah? Because every time it happens. You expect it. Yeah, so we're not going to let them fry for much longer. So this is a nice color and texture that we're going for.
Perfect time I've been waiting for.
Where is it? Ready for them? dumping everybody now.
The aisle. You know one more aisle?
No, I don't need no more aisle
So
than that.
train everybody now?
Yeah. Carry aisle come. Go and cut this one already. And then you throw in the seasoning. Pass the pot cover and work on the fire. Seems as if it's about to rain, Maroons, but the good thing is, based on what we're doing, we don't need a lot of fire for long. So the fire that we did for the planting is going to last long enough to do the crayfish. We can see what going in your pot. See for it then. Oh, see the rain come down.
Ready?
Right. Oh, see the color.
Perfect.
Try mix them up. Nice. Some up. Anybody where you see look blue, just the rain come. Oh crap, we have to go pack up the things in the bag then so.
Rain or wet day.
Cover it up. We have to go pack up the things.
God.
Come on. Do it, hey, you have to work with it, pass it. Like you just say rain come, you have to work with it quick. So we are going to build. Ooh, you smell the pepper, Kimmy?
Yeah.
Nah, like Kimmy, a pepper shrimp look nice.
Exactly.
Alright, so we cover it and work on the fire, especially given that the rain come down. So cover it, we can work on the fire. For sure them are basically done. Give away a store. See them basically done, you know, because them get some more time. Move down everybody in it. Bring them down back into the juices. Jesus.
Getting excited?
Yeah.
What is not this?
Mouth watering.
Oh God.
Chef it Kimmy, you know.
Exactly. See?
Chef it Kimmy. Hey, we master this fire thing now, you know. Tell them say we master, watch out. Any weather we get fire blaze. Any weather. Any weather. Oh gosh, smell that, yo. Wish the Maroons could have smelled that, Kimara. Any fire, any weather, we get fire blaze. Yeah, Kimmy, we're in the thick of it now. So when that they hear the dry, that now go frenzy. Rain fall and she can't wait so she want to test one. But I let in water in her pot. Lucky pot! Nice. Are you cooking it, you know, so you must know, you know. What do you say?
The pepper no. The pepper in there, but so I didn't want it, like this strong.
You want it hotter than that? Probably I chew it now, fry so, but it cook good.
Cook good.
Alright. So you say a time for challenge.
Right, that's up.
We're going to share Kimmy one now. Woo! We're gonna jump in our pot, so just take out some for Kimmy. The one that wants some more. Look at this Maroons. Look on this. How is it dropping in our pot?
Yeah.
You're nice. Ow! The water we are dropping in our pot?
Special.
Yeah. What the knife? I'm going to try left two for Jay because he would have killed me if I don't carry home none for you. Make this one cook this one. You this, don't kill me if anything you come back.
Yeah, man.
Take him up, drop him in there. So there we have it, Maroons. Kimara's share. So she's going to eat and tell us what she thinks about it. Hold it good. Maya, what's your name? And tell what you think. Salt. Yeah, I never put no salt on it. Yo, we're in a tear, you know. But we don't mind. Food nice. Water nice.
Everything nice.
So you like it? Wish the Maroons if they have to get some though. Man. Hush. What you say?
I'm a Sagittarius.
You're a what?
Sagittarius.
You say Sagittarius. Keep me say I'm a Sagittarius. Irene. So what's so happened to Sagittarius? They mean?
No. Sagittarius is nice and an expensive thing.
Oh. Hey.
Exactly.
So what do you think? It's nice? You can't go on. What else could I do to it? Just the facade. The plant island.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks, yeah? I'm going to get into it and let you guys know. So firstly, let me get some of the pepper on this. Look here. Pepper nice. Pepper nice, you know?
It's well nice to get the pepper sauce. It's well nice to get the pepper sauce.
Pepper nice.
The shrimp have the truth. That means you want to get.
Nope.
Nope.
Not today.
Not today.
Aside like it well want to run away.
But let's wash up the sea.
Then I go dip it, I go take it up. No? No, I saw the season at all. I wish we got the soft shell ones because you see. We got the soft shell ones because we could just eat everything.
Everything. And the juice is looking at the soft shell.
Maroon. As you see, we're not here. A lot of music, so copyright issues. So I'm just going to finish. Boy. Let's take a picture. You need a picture in a pot.
Only the plantains.
We'll forget.
Forget. We can just crop out our video.
Feel like it? Rifle. Oh, this one? I don't know rifle, that's a pistol. No, you can't take a bridge. Nice to meet you, see me? Let's say a word, man. I said to you. We'll finish cook. I will come down to the original part. So you can catch? Hey guys, so you guys saw the whole adventure. You saw that the rain came down. It was a good dish. How you rate it?
9.5.
9.5 out of 10.
Because my brother did a box of pepper and then it ended up say more pepper should be in it.
Yeah, the pepper them what we use kind of soft. We think it did harder than that. Remember Maroon, subscribe, leave a like. And as always, in anything that you do, be patient, exercise humility,
And be consistent!
Me know you never gonna believe me, but me woulda find it hard to keep this thing a secret. Cause got me going to the deepest of oceans. Come on, let me show you why you feel like a float man. Slow jams where you feel like listen. Anything you turn ain't a real life fixin'. Not a drink, girl, you're my addiction. Cause with you I feel I'm missing nothing.